Wolf Recruitment Group use an app called Ubeya. This app is used for shift bookings, confirming shifts, setting your availability for work and uploading your right to work documents. In this video, I will teach you how to download and use the app in a few simple steps. The first thing that's going to happen, a text message will be sent to you with the link to download the app. Click on the link to open your app store where you will be able to select download. Once you've downloaded the app, simply click on open and it will ask you to enter your telephone number. Please ensure you enter your number correctly as you will later on receive a verification code. Once you receive the verification code, please enter it, ensuring it's correct. Once you've done this, it will take you into the app where it's going to ask you if you would like to receive notifications. Select allow to this as this will later on ensure that notifications are sent to you for any booked shifts or any requests that you've made. Next, it's going to ask you to upload your right to work documents. Now, these are mandatory documents that are needed in your compliance before you can start working with Wolf. To do this, click on Let's Start. It will bring up a list of the documents that are needed. As you can see, some of the documents have stars next to them. This is because they are mandatory. You will need to upload your documents by clicking Photo or Gallery to select your document. If it's the front of a document, please ensure you are entering an expiry date. Please ensure all of your documents are clear, readable, and all four corners of the document are in the image. If not, it could fail our compliance checks and it will need to be redone. Repeat the process for all of the documents that are required to upload them. Here we're going to upload our national insurance document and select Save. Next, it's going to ask you for a picture. A picture is required because we do supply name badges to you that you will need to wear to every shift that you attend with Wolf. As you can see, we've got two questions here that we've left blank. DBS certificate and NHS COVID passport. Now, these are not mandatory as they don't have stars next to them. However, if you do have a DBS certificate that is on the update service, please do upload it. The same with your NHS COVID passport. Once all documents have been uploaded, select Next. It will then ask you if you have any training certificates that are relevant for the role that you have applied for. If you do and the certificates are in date, please do provide them. If not, please do not worry as we do offer free e-learning for all of our candidates. Once the page loads, you will see there are lots of options here to upload your certificates. Repeat the process like you did with your other documents. Once you've finished, select Finish. It will then ask you if you would like to send the documents. Please select Send and it will notify your local branch that your documents have been uploaded. Once you've done this, it will take you into the home screen of the app. Here you can see we've got Schedule, Offers, Feed and Chat. Let's go into Schedule first and see what this does. In here, you will be able to see any upcoming or any past shifts. To view your upcoming shifts, simply click into the shift and select Confirm. This will notify your branch that you have confirmed your attendance for that shift. Simply go back and repeat the process for any of the shifts. To view any of your past bookings, simply select the Past tab and all bookings will show in here. Next, we've got Offers. In here, this is any open and available shifts that have not yet been filled. If you do see a shift that you would like to attend, simply select it and select Apply. This will then notify your branch that you have applied for that shift where they will be able to either approve or decline that request. A notification will later on be sent to you with their decision. Next, we've got Feed. In here, you will see updates from Wolf asking you to update your availability and notifications for anything like bank holidays to remind candidates that are using public transport to leave in plenty of time. Finally, we have Chat. In here, you will be able to speak to your local branch. Sickness requests and day off requests will not be picked up in here, so please do ensure you are always calling for this. Next, I want to go to the three lines at the top of the app. In here, you can see we've got availability, weekly preferences, my requests, documents, settings, rate this app, join a company, technical support, or log out. Let's take a look at availability first. In here, you will be able to see your long-term availability. So any days that you are available to work and any days that you're not available to work. To amend this, simply click on the plus button, select your option, select Save, and press Send for approval. This will then be sent to your local branch to either approve or decline that request. Again, you will receive notifications for this. If we go back, the next option we have is My Weekly Preferences. In here, this is your weekly availability. So anything that you're available to work for that upcoming week. Please ensure you're updating this regularly. Your branch will also remind you of this. To amend any of your bookings, please select the love heart, select the time, select save, and it will update for you. If you are now not available on one of these days, select the plus button, and it will ask you for either not available or day off. Select the option and select save. Again, this will update your availability and notify your local branch. Next, we have My Requests. In here, you can book any long-term requests off, so things like hospital appointments or dentist appointments. To do this, simply click on the plus button. The request type will always be day off. Select your local branch and select the day. If you're having one day, select the day that you'd like off. If you're having multiple days, select the start and the end time, and always ensure that you're saving changes. Once you've done this, press send for approval and it will notify your local branch. Again, you will receive an email and a notification once a decision has been made for your request. The next section we have is documents. In here, you will see any missing documents or any uploaded documents. Please don't worry too much about this, as we have uploaded these documents already. The next thing we have is settings. In here, you can see your language preferences and email notifications. Please ensure your email notifications are always switched on. This will ensure that any booked shifts or any requests are always emailed to you also. The next thing we have is rate this app. If you would like to rate the app, you can do it within this section of the app. Moving on, we've got join a company. If you are a part of another company that also use the Ubeya app, you will be able to join them in here. Simply enter the details and select next, and it will prompt you through each step. Next, we've got technical support. If you are having any issues with the app at all, please come into this part and it will prompt you on what to do. Going back to the home screen of the app, you can see we've got things to do. So in here, any shifts that you've been booked for will show. Next, we've got employers. Wolf Recruitment Group will always show here. However, if you are a part of another company, they will also show in this section. The next thing we have is your schedule. You can enter your schedule by clicking into here, or again coming to the bottom of the app. Next, we've got time clock. This is a really important feature of the app, as it will show any shifts that you've got coming up that you do need to clock in for. To clock in, simply click on Start, select Start, and it will notify your local branch that you've started that shift. Once you have finished that shift, please come back into this section of the app and end your shift. It's really important this is done, as it will notify your branch that you have turned up for your shift and the hours that you have worked. Going back into the home screen of the app, as you can see again, we just got your schedule where you'll be able to view any of your shifts. Any open shifts and any of your notifications will show in this section of the app. That is a brief overview of the app. If you do have any questions at all, please do contact your local branch, as they will always be happy to help.